Good morning and welcome to day 10 of our practice together. New moon today, which is nice. We're going to continue with a focus of our awareness on the body today. So when we live in our minds, it's really easy to become unaware of how our body really feels. Our true felt sense of our body, not just the surface feelings, but those kind of inside out feelings and sensations. When we push these into obscurity, we really are doing harm to ourselves and to our bodies. So we're so vast and complex. When we learn to become more connected to the body, we become closer to our inner wisdom, true nature. So let's begin. As always, by settling in, I invite you to take your position, your seat, or if you are lying down, just make sure you're relaxed and at ease, but upright, unless for some reason you can't be upright. Begin to settle in and sense yourself pausing. Take a few deep breaths just to help ground yourself and settle. Once you've done this, just resume your normal pattern of breathing. Don't try and breathe in any way, just breathe. Just invite yourself to be here. To be here now, pausing in this moment. Right here at home in your body. Draw your focus and your awareness to your body. Notice all of the sensations within your body. Notice them with a loving awareness. Don't judge anything, just notice the sensations. In this moment, all the sounds, the feelings, all your sensations. As we were doing yesterday, begin to feel your body from the inside out. You can do a quick scan for yourself if it helps. Feel all the tingling vibrations and sensations. Just notice everything. Everything that's here in this moment. Now I want you to focus on your center, the center of you. Where do you feel this the most? It's usually in the heart space, the heart, the chest, the belly. The calm place within you. I invite you just to seek this place out and find it. A calm circle, space within you. Where do you feel calm in your body right now? Where do you feel your center is? Imagine a circle at the center. Imagine that circle expanding out in a circular motion, expanding out of you, way out, out of you and into everything that you know exists around you. All the way out into everything. And then back in again, into your center, into your circle. Feel this energy. Now I want you to imagine that at the middle of this center, this circle, is another circle, which is your quiet center, the true center of you. I want you to feel the peace that is this place, this center. Around the center there's movement, there may be activity, but in the very center all is quiet and still. And take a couple of breaths, maybe deeper breaths, and sigh out. And allow each sigh to bring you closer to your still center. Breathe normally and know that you can use your breath and this sigh out whenever you need to bring your awareness closer to that center. All around the center, sensations occur, or patterns of emotions. Thoughts happen, your history, all your stories, but in the very, very center, there is that quiet and still place. You breathe into that place. Just breathe normally. If you need to sigh, do so. Breathe into your center. Allow every breath to bring you closer to the center of you, where everything is still, timeless place, quiet, still place. Breathe into the center. Now, I want you just to slowly and gently open your eyes and look at the space around you. Take everything in, the sights, colours, the scents, smells, and just notice yourself in this scene. Notice how it feels when you take your own space within the room. When you inhabit your body here and now in this space. Notice how it feels. So as you go about your day, today, the rest of your day or evening, just notice your body moving around in the spaces that you inhabit, and remember, and maybe bring your awareness at some stage throughout the day on that center place within you, within your body, that place where everything is completely still, that timeless, quiet place within you. Thank you. Until tomorrow.